Hi guys, hey Papercrafters. I'm Dawn Bourgette, Dawn's Creative Chalet, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to my classroom. So today I've been a busy little bee. Actually, for the last 10 days I've been a busy little bee. As most of you know who are familiar with Stampin' Up!, we have something approaching called Celebration. Celebration. Doesn't that sound like fun? It is. It really is. So, starting January 5th through February 28th, it's going to be one less month of celebration. You can earn free products with your purchases of $50 minimum, which is pretty exciting. Hi, Pat. Who else do I have here? Ricky, hi. So, along with that being said, tomorrow I'm having a little safe party. We're going to stamp safely with our masks on. I have hand sanitizer, and Santa Claus brought me an air purifier. So I'm setting that up out here as well. So we're going to be stamping safely, rest assured, but we're going to party by making 8 cards using all Celebration product, those products that you can earn for free during Celebration. Hi, Patty. I'm having class tomorrow at 10 o'clock and 6:30. I have just a couple of spots yet available for my evening class at 6:30. So if there's anybody who's somewhat local who would like to attend and check out all the Celebration items that are going to be available, contact me tonight and PM me directly. Don't comment down below because I might not catch it. Because like I said, I've been a busy little beaver and I've been setting up my classroom, and I wanted to show you guys just a taste of what's in the new mini catalog and also in Celebration. So this is our Celebration brochure, and this is our new catalog. I can't show it the inside of it yet online, but if you're here, you're going to get a catalog if you haven't gotten one from me already. I know that I had a long list of people to send them to. So, it's nice to see you, Patty. So anyway, I thought I would show you some of the display I've been working on. I don't rest during Christmas. This is like my busy time of the year to prep for everything. But if you can see behind me, we're going to have 8 stamping stations to make 8 different projects. Let me go ahead here and see if, it's been a while since I've been on here. See if I can turn the camera around so you don't have to stare at me. Let's see here. There we go. All right. So first of all, let's go down here. I'm going to make you dizzy. So I just want to show you guys some of the pretty things that we have coming up. Like I said, some of this is Celebration items. Some of this is stuff that will be in the new catalog that you'll be seeing. We have a lot of really cool paper. So I have all the swatches made for the girls because as you guys know, the paper is prettier in person than it ever is in the catalog, as you can see from my samples. So lots of good stuff. I really am digging the berry blessings that you can earn for free out of Celebration. That's with a minimum of $100 order. Trust me, it's worth it. You're going to love it. You get a full pack of the DSP and a stamp set. I'll show you that in a minute. Anyway, scrolling a little bit more. So these are the choices for Celebration this year. Like I said, this is the Berry Blessings paper. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at all the colors that are in that paper. Woo, love it. And then we have, I wasn't real keen on this until I started playing with it. I love this paper, absolutely love it. And by the way, on my blog, in a couple of days, you'll find this card for Happy New Year. Thought that was kind of fun. Anyway, and here's some samples of the ombre paper. Here's some more beautiful paper. Another favorite Celebration item that you can earn for free. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. Also, we have the Paper Blooms DSP. Hi, Susan. So that's another freebie you can get during Celebration. I love the colors in that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then we'll come up here again and show you guys some more goodies. This little guy's empty. I broke him. So I need to replace the little clothespin. But anyway, then we come over here, and here's something that I really wanted to talk to you guys about. So if you love Stampin' Up! Products at all, this is like the best way to do it. So the starter kit during celebration, as we all know, is always a really good deal. So let me go ahead and see this paper right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of paper. That's 200 sheets of paper right there, 6 by 6 in size. All of this for free during celebration when you purchase the starter kit with me. Isn't that awesome? On top of picking $99 a product and you get $125 altogether, but it's $99. And then you get free shipping, which is another 10% savings, which is about $12 savings, $12.50. The value of the paper, $67.50, I believe. And then once you purchase this product, you get to pick anything that you want in your kit. You can pick off the clearance rack, the annual catalog, the new mini catalog, okay? And then you instantly get a 20% coupon on all your purchases. I mean, how cool is that? Seriously. Hi, Missy. So honestly, the kit is the best deal. If you think that you're going to spend $100 on any of this awesome stuff, then what you need to do is talk to me about signing up with the starter kit and be a part of my awesome team. My girls are amazing, and I know that you would be a great part of my team. And then over here, wanted to show you this. This is a really cool new kit that's in our catalog for the spring, and it's called Hello Dear Friend, and it has everything. It's including the stamp set, which is in here somewhere, haha, and it makes these gorgeous cards. There are 3 of each, 4 different designs. Aren't they cute? Love it. For some reason, I haven't got my new paper pumpkin yet, so I'm hunting that yet. This is another new project kit. I can't remember though. I think that this is in the annual catalog, and it's not an all-inclusive. The stamp set is separate, but it is totally adorable as well. Now, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys some of the projects that we're going to make tomorrow. My class tomorrow will be $20 or free with a minimum order. This card is made with, oops, I should actually come around to this side. Sorry, don't mean to make you dizzy. Is going to be using this set. This is called Corner Bouquet. This is one of the items in celebration that you can earn for free. This is the card that we are going to make. Isn't that cute? And then we have the ombre paper. Oh, so ombre, right? And I used the butterfly set. I can't remember the name of it. That's in the new catalog, the new mini catalog. And they're going to be able to choose the way they want to make their card with a variety of butterflies that I've cut for them. So that's card 2. Card 3 displays the Heal Your Heart set. This is a free item during celebration with a $50 order. And this is the card we're going to make with that. And notice that designer series paper. Free during celebration. Whoop, whoop. And then we have the donkeys, the darling donkeys. And again, some of that beautiful designer series paper that's free during celebration. And here is, sorry, the set right here. Darling donkeys. Isn't that cute? I love it. And then let's come over here to this table. And we have, where did the set go? A Touch of Ink. A Touch of Ink. This is a set that's a level 2 item during celebration. So this would be available for a $100 order. But again, honestly, if you're spending that much, you should be purchasing the starter kit. However, $100 item. And we're going to be making this card right here. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Really dig the set. I love the artistic look of it, I guess. And then we're also going to be making, whoop, this card right here. Isn't that pretty? Love, love, love it. And then let's go over here. This, sorry, oh, taking you guys for a ride. This is Berry Blessings. This and that beautiful designer series paper that I was showing you. This is a level 2 for Celebration. So you get the stamp set and the pack of designer series paper, a full pack, 12 by 12. We're going to be making this card tomorrow to showcase the blueberries. But the strawberries are so cute. Oh, I love it. And then we have this card. Oop, hold it up here for you. This is a part of a set called, drum roll, let me see here. It is Approaching Perfection, and it's another Celebration set, and it's available free with a $50 order. Isn't that awesome? Some really, really good stuff. So these girls are going to be, turn you around here. These girls are going to be really busy tomorrow. They have no idea that they're doing twice as many cards than we normally do. I am so excited. I couldn't help myself because I love everything that's being offered during Celebration this coming January 5. So anyway, if anybody has any questions about Celebration, let me know. If you are in need of a catalog, let me know. If you've purchased with me this last year, you're automatically going to be sent one in the mail. But if you don't get it by the end of this week, please reach out to me and let me know, because I do it through Stampin' Up! And they use bulk mailing, and sometimes it doesn't necessarily reach its destination, if you know what I mean. So just make sure to reach out to me. I'd be happy to get you a catalog. I have plenty of them. And once again, if anybody is interested in getting the starter kit starting January the 5th, reach out. It's a great deal. You can get a discount just like I do. And you know what I really love more than anything else about being a demonstrator is that we get to take advantage of everything a customer can. Plus, we get our discount, which is pretty awesome. So for every $50 I spend, I also get free product as well, and I get a discount, so I can buy even more. So if there's any of you who are paper hoarders like me, you might want to consider it. It's really a good deal. It really is. You don't have to do it as a business. I have many hobbyists, as we call them, on my team, and they just love creating. That's it. They just love to create, and I love to have them, and they're an amazing group. But anyway, I just thought I'd pop on while I was setting up my room for tomorrow's class. And I'm so glad that you popped on to say hi. I hope that you guys had a very, very Merry Christmas. And let's hope for an awesome 2021, right? All right. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.